Hello everyone, thanks for tuning to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kevin. Nice to meet you guys. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below. New videos coming every week, just for you.
Okay guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing video of this Samsung 860 EVO solid state hard drive. This is the installation guide. And also the warranty statement. Feels like a thin tin cover, exterior box. Nice and light. This is a very good upgrade replacement for old hard drive. If you want to replace one of these chunky old things, it's definitely a good upgrade. Probably one of the best upgrades you would ever do if you want to upgrade your hard drive. This will increase your speed, load time, about 6 times faster. So once I turn on my computer and want to start browsing, it only takes me 25 seconds with a solid state hard drive. And with one of these original old school hard drives, it takes me 2 minutes and 30 seconds, roughly around there, to start surfing online. So you guys should definitely make the switch to solid state hard drive. It's the way to go. We'll do a size comparison, which is definitely a lot smaller and way thinner, and it's a lot lighter. This is pretty much like a big memory stick. You guys should definitely get one of these. It's one of the best investment ever. Solid state drive is a technology of the future.
Thank you for watching my video. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you until next time. Peace out. Hi guys, how would you like to enter a contest to win this beautiful Chromecast? On how to enter, click this link above, should be right here, or in the description below, I'll put a link to my Google Chromecast unboxing video. That's where you have to make a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. The contest ends when I hit 5,000 subscribers. Then I will announce the winner. Good luck everybody.